Candles stare a sideways glance. We keep painting on faces and staging romance. We used up our second chance. There's a cold wind blowing, blowing in. Candles, dim lights, perfume, but where is the passion that we once knew? And scenes as we play our parts, but there's a cold wind blowing through our hearts. There's a cold wind blowing in, silent as a stranger, making lovers just friends. And I'm not sure if a heart can mend when those cold start blowing, blowing in. Can we take back yesterday and make the ghosts that haunt us fade away? So we can't play this game no more, 'cause there's a cold wind knocking at our door. There's a cold wind blowing in, silent as a stranger, making lovers just friends. And I'm not sure if a heart can mend when those cold winds start blowing, blowing in. Cold wind blowing in, silent as a stranger, making lovers just friends. And I'm not sure if a heart can mend when those cold winds start blowing, they're blowing in. Thank you.
Thank you so much.